Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to have a walk around a little red 2019 Kia Forte. This is a demo. It only has about 6,000 kilometers. This is one of the first launch editions, so it does have the little fog lights in the front bumper cover, which aren't on all the models. This is an EX Plus. It has the sunroof, beautiful metallic paint, two-tone alloy wheels with high definition headlamps, signals in the mirror so people can see you when you're turning. Let's take a walk around the vehicle. Nice tinted windows. It is a demo, but it does fall into the category of Kia Finance, so you can get this at a very low interest. I think currently we're at 0, but it's month to month, so if you come in too late, it could be a little bit more. As you can see, that's the EX with the launch edition. It does have the LED taillights, the nice chrome exhaust tip on it. Kias have a 5-star safety rating, so if you are looking for a 4-door sedan that's good on fuel with a great warranty, Kia should be something to take a look at. It does have the shark antenna on the roof, nice chrome wrap around your glass, blind spot detection in your mirrors. It'll light up if somebody's in your lane beside you without you seeing them. It'll let you know. Roadside assistance is 5-year or unlimited on these vehicles, so if there's an issue through Canada, United States, you're covered. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Just a really nice vehicle. The blind spot detection, the lane departure warning and assist, becoming very modern. Nice materials. It has a seat that jacks up and goes down. Nice armrest, lots of room for passengers and guests. Just gonna pop in here, turn off that little dinging and start the car. This vehicle currently has 5,950 kilometers. Service will have been done for you. Just check radio, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, air conditioner. Let's turn that on because it's hot in here. So it's separate climate control for both sides. It does have a location to put your, turn that off so it doesn't make a lot of noise. Does have a location for charging your phone without plugging in. USB auxiliary. There's another auxiliary there for passengers. Heated seats and heated steering wheel and drive modes. The nice sunroof above you. They're relatively a quiet car. They're good on fuel. I'd say come on down and take a look at this. The demo will actually save you money. We are here to sell some cars, obviously. This is West Coast Kia. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway, just across the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come on down, take a look at this little red demo here. Like to get it gone. Thank you so much for watching my video.